Newly middle-class Chinese are discovering their own country, causing an explosion in domestic tourism. Unfortunately, most Chinese can only afford to take the slower trains. The lucky passengers have seats. Some have booked cheaper, standing-only tickets. And this ride is 3 days long. Plenty of time to look out the window. This is what China is becoming, sprawling for mile after mile. There's no dining carriage, but there's plenty of hot water for tea and noodles. After a day or two, the garbage really piles up. Just when everyone is starting to get bored, the entertainment arrives. He's a train employee, selling self-cleaning miracle towels. He's very persuasive. Everybody buys. If your train stops long enough, then you can hop off and grab a bite to eat at the food stalls outside the station. This is the ultimate Chinese street cuisine. Fresh, local ingredients, made to order. Though the water may not be completely clean. They're a husband-wife team, and they're out here 7 days a week. It's beastly hot. But it could be worse. The roving sellers have to carry everything on their backs. Though they still can't afford to slack off. There's plenty of other vendors gunning for their clientele. The skewered meat seller, the fresh fruit cart, and comfort foods from every corner of China. Even Uyghur bread, baked in a traditional tandoor oven from the country's far western provinces. And if your shoe should lose a heel, or your suitcase a wheel, there's a place for that as well. There's even a roving food cart tire repairman. There are a few times a year you want to avoid the train at all costs. Chinese New Year and Golden Week. It's when migrant workers and students go back to their villages. Tickets sell out 6 months in advance. It's the largest movement of human beings on the planet. 360 million passengers. That's more than the population of the United States.